Speed approach, JetBlue 8090, leveling 11,000, Charlie.
JetBlue 8090, flighting 050 for the ILS 48.
050 in the heading, JetBlue 8090.
JetBlue 685, back to the right, 270.
270, JetBlue 685.
JetBlue 685, reduce speed further to 180.
Reduce speed 180 now, JetBlue 685.
JetBlue 8090, descend to 4,000, altimeter 3010.
Down to 4,000, JetBlue 8090.
About a 402, reduce speed further to 180, then maintain 3,000.
Alright, 180 down to 3, Delta 42.
JetBlue 685, right 290.
290, JetBlue 685.
New York, getting Endeavor 3712, 123 descending to 8,000.
Endeavor 3712, altimeter 3010.
3010, thanks.
And New York, it's XLR 179, 3000.
XLR 179, altimeter 3010.
3010, XLR 179.
JetBlue 685, right 010, join 48.
010, join 4 right, JetBlue 685.
Number 3727, right 260, speed 210.
260 on the heading, 210 on the speed, there, 3727.